Okay, got a nice quick and easy install to start with, and it is this roof spoiler, or like hatch spoiler. So it actually already came with the 3M tape applied to it, so literally just had to peel off the backing. Fitment's pretty good. Small, like a 1/16 of a gap there, and you know, it's about the same on this side. So yeah, that's the nice quick and easy part. Now let's get on to the main event. Got a new spoiler. So this thing is going to transform the car. So there it is, mocked up on the car. Obviously it's not mounted. So that is a Uras drag wing. It's going to look awesome with the tails, the Kouki tails. I think it's going to transform the car with a hatched wing and then this drag spoiler. Okay, I got everything set up. Got my skirts, back panel, everything is tacked down. I just wet the floor, hopes that, you know, I'll get a half decent job. This wing is gonna be a bit of a pain. Had to like rig it up to raise it and still have it stable. This will be the last thing I do anyways. I'm not gonna run any time lapse for the painting, but first time doing it, I guess wish me luck. So now it's all painted. Some tiger striping in it. I don't know if this camera will pick it up, I think so. But it's red. Fair amount of orange peel. Even missed a little bit over there. But that's at the bottom. Barely see that. That's just dirt. I think this back panel turned out really good. Even though I had a run here. Obviously, you can see all the orange peel. But first time painting all by myself. Not too many runs. I really didn't like how my gun was laying out the clear. I was having a hard time atomizing it. That's why I ran into some issues, but we're here, we're done, we did it. Let's get it on the car. Well, it's the next day. I'm going to get into installing my Type X taillights. And look how bad the paint is on this thing. Like the clear failed, and then somebody put some other weird base coat on it to make it look slightly better. Luckily most of that's covered up, but yeah, this thing's gonna need a complete paint job, like back bumper, torched, but okay, here we go. Just finished gluing on some magnets onto the side skirt. Like 12 magnets, because that's what I had. Use a JB Weld plastic bonder. It holds them on pretty good. And I'm gonna go mount it on the car. Okay, so this is the driver's side, and that's actually just the magnets holding it on. Looks pretty good. I'm still gonna put tape. I like the double-sided tape and 2 screws on each end, but I think that's pretty solid. Well, there you have it. Side skirts are on, rear wing's on, roof wing. Turned out pretty good. Really happy with it. Obviously, paint match is like way off. Not sure if you can see it in camera, but yeah, you can definitely tell. And that's alright, because I'm gonna have to do everything on this car. Like, it's like 1,000,001 dings and dents that need to be dealt with, but she is complete. Well, that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in the next one.